Harrington, the Career and Technology Education Department Chair, also known as CTE.
We offer an Intro to Business class which goes through investing, credit, budgeting, and banking. In multimedia design, students learn visual graphics, sound, and animation software using Adobe. We also offer a 4-year coding program called Coding in Python, which students will learn the coding programming language. In Family and Consumer Science, we offer 3 levels of culinary classes that helps students understand the principles of cooking and the science behind food, and understand the textiles and fashions. Early childhood studies will prepare the students to work in an on-site preschool program, Little Eagles Preschool.
Finally, if your student likes to work with their hands, please explore our tech ed electives. Welcome to Lakes, and we hope to see your students in some CTE classes.
Hi, and welcome to Lakes Community High School. My name is Vicki Ecker, and I'm the math department chair here. We're so excited to have your son or daughter join us and have an excellent math curriculum prepared for them. Our integrated curriculum model offers our students experience with the same traditional standards as Algebra 1 geometry and Algebra 2 course sequence, but provides rich opportunities for connections, collaboration, and problem solving that develop deep understanding. We are committed to providing experiences that will build the math skills needed for 21st century colleges and careers, and we're looking forward to providing our Eagles with outstanding math instruction. Again, welcome to Lakes.
Good evening, parents and incoming students. My name is Matthew Castor, and I am the Fine Arts Department Chair here at Lakes Community High School. In the Fine Arts, we have tons of opportunities and a lot of choices for you. In visual arts, the way to get started is in 2D or 3D. The next part of our department is the theater department. If you're interested in being on stage, beginning theater is your entry level. If you would like to work backstage, where really all the magic happens for our productions, then stagecraft is where you would like to start. In the music world, we have instrumental music and vocal music. In all of these sequences, they all end with a capstone course, and many of them have AP opportunities as well. So that's a really quick look at what we offer here in the department as far as music, visual arts, and theater, and that we hope we see you here on the stage that is our world here at Lakes Community High School.
Hi, I'm Chad Rusk. I'm the World Languages Department Chair here at Lakes. Our department focuses on the 4 core skills: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And our typical 9th grade offerings are German 1 and Spanish 1 if you haven't had those classes previously, or German 2, Spanish 2 if you've done them in middle school. Also, if you speak Spanish at home, we have Heritage for Spanish speakers. And with all these classes, you'll be amazed by how rapidly your student can communicate effectively at home. Additionally, Lakes is proud to offer the CELA Biliteracy Test, which gives students the opportunity to earn college credit. This test is available in multiple languages beyond just Spanish and German. As you plan for college, keep in mind that most universities require 2 to 4 years of a foreign language, competitive institutions often expecting 4 years. Welcome to Lakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.
Hi everyone, my name is Grant Murray and I'm the Social Studies Department Chair here at Lakes Community High School. We are honored to be recognized as a democracy school and focus on the elements of being a democracy school in our courses. Students entering Lakes will take one of 2 courses, either Global Studies or AP Human Geography. Both courses will examine human interactions and a variety of cultures around the world. As students progress through their high school experience, they will be required to take U.S. history and government. Students will also need to take a minimum of 1 social studies elective. I'm happy to answer any and all questions you have about social studies courses here at Lakes. Go Eagles!
Hi, I'm Gina Bauer, the Science Department Chair here at Lakes. We look forward to having your child join us to cultivate their lifelong learning for science. District 117 implements a physics first sequence, meaning that students will take physics their 9th grade year, followed by chemistry and then biology. We believe that students do best when starting with our engaging physics curriculum that sets a fundamental foundation for future courses. Welcome to Lakes and have a great night.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline Selfridge-Hombaker and I'm the Special Education Coordinator and Department Chair at Lakes Community High School. As you will see tonight, our dedicated team can be seen throughout the building teaching and supporting students in the least restrictive environment, which consists of classrooms, learning centers, and core academic departments. We strive to prepare and challenge students with individualized education plans to transition to post-secondary endeavors while being self-advocates, lifelong learners, and productive members of the community. As students start their high school journey, please know that we are here along the way and will build upon the foundation at Lakes where respect plus courtesy equals pride. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Welcome to Lakes and go Eagles.
Good evening, Eagles. I'm Emily Goldkind, and I'm the English team lead here at Lakes. In all of our core classes, we provide engaging experiences to improve students' speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. Our curriculum focuses on reading a combination of classic and contemporary works of literature. We also offer a fun slate of skills-based electives, including print and digital journalism, sports media, broadcast journalism, yearbook journalism, creative writing, AP seminar, and AP research. Can't wait to see you next year, Eagles.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Lakes Community High School. My name is Ray Giallo and I'm the department chair for PE, Health, and Driver's Ed. As a freshman, your student will take 1 semester of PE 1 and 1 semester of Health. As sophomores, juniors, and seniors, they can continue their PE career by either choosing our more traditional team sport classes or individual sport classes. If they prefer to take more of a fitness-based class, we have many options for them, which include Physical Best, which is our strength training class, Fit for Life, which is more cardio-based, or Dance and Fitness. As juniors and seniors, students can select to take our Adventure Education course. This course will give them a chance to experience all sorts of activities like rock climbing, kayaking, fishing, and outdoor cooking, just to name a few. Lastly, but certainly not least, we offer students the opportunity to take driver's education. Students are eligible to take that class beginning in the semester in which they turn 15 years old or any time thereafter. Please feel free to contact me with any questions you might have at any time, and I look forward to meeting your students next fall.